Right. Okay. Actually, I was waiting for complete 15 participants. Okay, but it's already 8:10. We should start immediately. Right. So what we will do today? Okay. We start discuss on your project. Okay, computing project. Okay. I'm not sure if you still remember that in tutorial 3 doing MOV, you already start proposing the project, right? Okay. Let me share what you already submitted. Okay. So we have 3 group. Okay, group C1, Azim and the team, okay, are proposing is clean. Easy clean lah, kan ni maksud dia, is clean. Okay. So is clean. Okay. Our project should relate with IoT. Okay, for this semester lah, our team is IoT system. Okay, so what we will do for today is you need to open tutorial 5 in the UFuture. Okay, I already uploaded in UFuture. Develop a business case for a computing IoT project that you think will interest the class. Okay, remember that we have learned what is business case, and there is a template depend on the company requesting the content, the informations. Okay, so the team Internet of Things IoT system. Okay, discuss business case computing project with your group member. Okay, and write the following requirement. Okay, this is what we will do for today tutorial. Okay, I will open a breakout room sessions for each group. We have breakout room session for C1, C2, and C3. Okay, later on, you in the team, okay, you may discuss about your planning on your computing project. Okay, so I hope that before a semester break, we already have a confirmed title for each group. Okay, so put your project name. Okay, give computer project name related to IoT system. Okay, noted here that you have 2 options to explore or to look up any project using these 2 methods. First one, you approach or find any company or collaborators, either university, institution, school, private, or second options is you do market survey, okay, market experience, okay, and then what is the trending now, and then you can develop your own product or service. Okay, then the product or service will be proposed to the stakeholder lah. Okay, so in the projects, okay, you need to have a project descriptions, okay, the current problem in the company, okay, or in the current situations of the market survey. Describe how things are being done in the company, okay, the normal business process. List down the problem. This is the opportunity for you to help to solve the issues, the problem. Discuss how your proposed IoT solution is able to solve the problem. Okay, and put it your project objective. Okay, either 1 or 2 objective only. Don't put more than 2. Okay, 1 or 2 is enough. Okay, because this is just 1 semester project. Okay, and actually you are only developing the proposal. So I want to see the creative idea from you guys, right? So make sure your objective should be can be achieved, can be measured. Okay, to enhance, to increase, to develop. So most of it is to develop lah, kan? Mostly is cost to develop. Scope statement. Okay, remember that what we have learned last week, we have 2 types of scope to define, either in product scope or project scope, right? So this one is to mention the main functionality, which is the product-based scope. Okay, what is the features and functions in your proposed IoT system. And then identify and briefly describe your target market and also stakeholder. So I put note here, after this, okay, for submissions, you may added more information related with business case that following this template. Okay. Okay, but actually it's not necessary to have all, but to have all, you have more informations. Okay, more describe your project. Okay, so for this tutorial, for today tutorial only, discuss among your team member, your project name, current problem, objective, scope, and target and stakeholder. That's only that we need to discuss for today. And 9 o'clock, okay, I will give you times, okay, after this until 9 o'clock, okay, I will close breakout sessions. Everyone will return back to the main class here, and we will do presentations, okay. You may do presentation in a slideshow, Canva, or you can use the PDF as well. It's up to your creativity, right? So what you will need to present, the one that you already been discussed, okay? And remember in MOV, okay, you have proposed your project actually, okay? For group 1, C1, you propose easy clean, okay? Can do, but okay, make sure added IoT system inside the easy clean, okay? For group C2, okay, group Emir Hakimi and the team, okay, your project title surplus mobile applications, okay, make sure IoT system inside it, okay. And last group, we have group C3, Hanif and the team, okay, you are proposing Chicago augmented reality system. Okay, so all these three, okay, I'm okay with the title. Just make sure that you included IoT system and your presentation. Later on, you must tell me lah what kind of IoT system inside your proposed project. Okay, so understand? Boleh faham?
Boleh, Doktor.
Alright, good.
Boleh,
So,
Doktor.
okay, good. Alright. So if you already understand and know what to do, okay, let me stop sharing first. Look at the below part of your Webex features. You have mic, camera, sharing slide, and the four small rectangle icon, right? So click it. Okay, you will find the 3 breakout session. Okay, join your group. Okay, if you are group C1, join group C1 lah. You will find the join link. Okay, on straight on the straight line of your title. Click the join. So you will go immediately to that room. Okay, so I will go. Dah orang pergi pula. Saya belum habis explain lagi, dia dah masuk dulu lah. Okay, because when you go there, you will not hear what I'm telling. I'm trying to explain. Okay, because you are already in other room. Okay, so wait first. Okay, let me finish my explanation first. Okay, so I will go check each room 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you have any questions, actually, if I'm not in that room, you can ask me lah. You can click the button ask a questions, and I will go to your room if you have any questions lah. If not, I'll let you guys to discuss among your team members, okay, and come up with the presentations. Okay, I will close all the breakout session at the 9 to push everyone go back to our main room and directly do presentations starting from group C3, C2, and C1. All right? Okay, are you ready? If you're ready, you may join your breakout session now. If you have a problem getting the breakout session, let me know. So I will assign manually lah. Okay. Hafiz, can you join the breakout session? Michelle, can you join the breakout sessions? Your group. Aidil, do you have any problem to join your group?
Yes, madam.
Aidil group apa?
Saya group C2.
C2. Okay, let me assign for you group C2. C2. Wait, C2. Okay. Michelle, you are in group
C3.
C3. All right. Okay.
Saya pun sama doktor.
Hafiz, group apa?
C1.
C1. Okay.
Alright.
105 is the number that comes to my head. When I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do. Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby. Yeah. Nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. I know you feel where I'm coming from. Regardless of the things in my past that I've done. Most of it really was for the hell of the fun. On a carousel, so around I spun. With no direction, just trying to get some. Trying to chase skirts, living in the summer sun. And so I lost more than I had ever won. And honestly, I ended up with none. There's so much nonsense that's on my conscience. I'm thinking maybe I should get it out. And I don't want to sound redundant, but I was wondering if there was something that you want to know. But never mind that, we should let it go. 'Cause we don't want to be a TV episode. And all the bad thoughts, just let it go. Go, go, go. Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. When you ain't got nothing on, baby, you the whole package. Plus you pay your taxes and you keep it real while the mothers stay plastic. You're my Wonder Woman, call me Mr. Fantastic. Stop. Now think about it. I've been to London, I've been to Paris, even where there in Tokyo. Back home down in Georgia, to New Orleans, but you always do the show. And just like that, girl, you got me froze. Like a Nintendo 64. You never knew where back no. No, no, no. Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Nothing on you.
Right? So how was the discussion among the team? Okay, hopefully everyone already done with the discussion, so we can start with the first group, group C3.
Betul.
Okay, group C3. 5 minutes only, okay, to present your idea. Group C3, tak ready lagi? Kejap, medium. Miss.
Buka present Fatin.
Sekarang nampak tengah present ke dekat Canva lagi?
Dalam Canva. Dia tak present.
Okay, dah tadi tu. Klik present lah. Okay, cepat. You have now only have 3 minutes. Okay dah tu. Boleh present dah.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today we present about our proposal. Our project name is Chicago Augmented Reality System. Next. Okay, next. We go to the project description. First is project business process. This project process is currently business using the physical map distributed by train company, and this physical map provide the train routine, but many people find it hard to understand. Furthermore, these maps do not provide any train schedule and navigation. Thus, it may useless to student to need to those function and the most of the hello. Can you hear me, Doctor?
Yes, proceed.
Okay. Student do not know how the flow of their journey from one place to another, so they cannot plan their time and budget as well. Okay, next is problem.
Okay, next is the project objective. So the project objective is to ease the university staff, students, and also the guests to use the train to the university. And second, to develop the augmented reality of the train.
Okay, can you hear my voice?
Yes, proceed.
Okay, for the scope statement, 5 main functionalities. So our user is student, university, staff university, and also a guest. So the project goal and objective, just like my friend mentioned, we need to meet the objective. Our objective is the student, staff, and university, and also the guest. And project requirement, how our train AR system meet the requirement. Project scope description, just like my friend mentioned about the current problem and also the business process. The project deliverable, how our train AR system deliver to the university staff and also guests. And also project constraint, how our train AR system meet the constraint of the project. So I will move to the next member to present the target market. Okey tak? Boleh dengar tak?
The target market for Chicago project is first one is student and staff. The student will be able to use the Chicago augmented reality system to go to the train station, and the second one is university guests. The guests will be able to use the system as to assist the guests to find way in or to their destinate university. And that's all from us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Group C3. Okay, the name that you propose, Chicago AR System. Chicago lah kan ni kan? Okay, Chicago AR System ni, nama dia gah kan? Tapi the content actually I'm also not sure why you are proposing a train AR system. Because you mention of apa ni, the map and also the time tadi kan? Then you not very clear, okay, why you are proposing AR system actually. Okay, why train? Why train? Masih guna ke train lagi ke sekarang? Maksud saya, your target is student. Which area? I also don't know. The use of train balik kampung ke?
It's like macam Google Map but it's on train. Maksudnya dia yang passenger yang pakai tu dia macam tahulah boleh bajet masa train ni sampai ke destinasi tu berapa minit, berapa jam.
Yelah.
And then
Yelah, kenapa train? Maksud saya kenapa train? Sebab you are target university student kan? Lepas tu dia kata train. Dalam UiTM pakai train ke? Itu yang saya confuse. Kenapa target you ialah student, lepas tu guna train? Adakah dalam UiTM menggunakan train? Itu yang saya confuse. Faham tak maksud saya?
Faham.
So kalau you kata public ke, maksudnya besar lah you nak fokus kepada train kan. Sekarang you kata student UiTM. Itu yang saya confuse. Kenapa train dan UiTM? Lepas tu adakah train tu dipakai di dalam UiTM ke? Kan? And then you punya scope just now, okay, it's not the scope. The scope kan saya dah bagi tahu features dengan function. Apa features function di dalam sistem you? Boleh apa ni? Boleh view map ke, boleh calculate the tahu tak features of your system. Okay, bukannya itu nota tadi kan, deliverable apa semua kan. Itu nota. Kan saya directly kata product specifications, features and function. Your system boleh buat apa? Okay, to view map, to calculate the location. Macam tu lah. Exactly. Apa sistem tu boleh buat? Okay. Tu saya tengok nama macam cantik, Chicago AR system. Okay, saya tak imagine lah apa ni, kenapa train. Itu yang saya tak boleh nak agak. Sebab you punya target ialah UiTM student. So is it the whole UiTM student using a train? Is it the train is inside UiTM? You are proposing train dalam UiTM ke? Yang tu yang saya pun agak confused. Okay. So apa plan dia sebenarnya ni? Ini kan train yang pergi jauh-jauh tu. Train kereta api kan maksud you ni?
Ya, doktor, train yang kereta api tapi macam untuk student untuk pergi ke kelas.
Itulah yang saya pelik. Kenapa train tu pergi ke kelas? Dalam UiTM pasangkan train maksud you? Faham ke maksud saya kenapa? Saya tidak faham. Kenapa train nak dibina di dalam UiTM tu? Okay. Daripada train yang besar-besar tu, you ingat nak buat railway station semua tu. Macam tu. Saya tak faham kenapa sampai nak pergi kelas kena naik train ni. Ni UiTM ke UiTM branch lain ke atau UiTM di dalam UiTM Jasin saja dalam kampus? Ke you nak pergi ke kampus yang lain-lain? Itu yang saya confuse. Apa benda sebenarnya? So make it clear, okay? Are you sure you want to train and use a train, okay? And why train? Kan, why train? Sebab masalah tu tak clear. Masalah you cakap pasal map. Kan tiba-tiba you kata guna augmented reality. Okay, lepas tu saya tak faham apa isu train ni. Kenapa nak guna train ni? Kan? Alright, group C3, okay? Tajuk dia sangat cantik kan? Chicago AR system kan? Tapi I'm not sure why train. You are proposing banner train dalam kampus, tu yang saya confuse. Sebab you kata nak pergi satu kelas, pergi kelas naik train. Yang tu saya tak pasti. Alright.
Doktor.
Apa Michelle?
Kalau
tu kita guna untuk macam student dia nak balik ke kampung halaman yang Nuta. So
Yelah, kenapa student? Kenapa, maksud saya kenapa student?
Untuk-
Train tu besar, public kan ada besar kan? Why your target is only UiTM, maksud saya. Lepas tu tadi siapa cakap tadi, dia inform go to class. Go to class lagi pergi naik train. Yang itu saya kata nak buat train dalam campus ke? Because the scope just now is not clear. You know what I mean? Kan? Kalau train kepada public, okay saya faham train besar kan. Tapi sekarang you fokus kepada UiTM. Lepas tu cakap nak pergi kelas lagi. Tu saya pun confused. So refine again what you want to do. Okay, are you sure you want to do a train? But what is the issues of train? Semua orang naik train ke? Alright, thank you group C2. Let's move on to next group. Group C2. Group C2, are you ready? Kenapa lambat semua dalam group C ni? Semalam group B, pantas saja. Diorang ada 6 group. Saya panggil je immediately je diorang present. Okay, when I give you 5 minutes presentation, short presentation, you don't have to ask everyone to present. One person is enough. Okay, nanti it's a taking time. Kalau saya bagi masa panjang tu boleh lah kan. But only 5 minutes to present the idea.
Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, so for our surplus mobile application, I will explain on the current problems. In current system, delivery must go through logistics hubs, which doesn't provide shorter distance. Such system cost times and expenses. And then since food in transportation is not fresh, because they are surplus food, excess food, they face the risk of going bad over time. So it is a time critical method to deliver surplus food in a short period of time. Users also get edgy not knowing the status of the food being delivered to them. And so we propose a parcel delivery system based on IoT technology for reducing the total delivery distance. And the device has multiple functionalities, including ability to match the invoice number of food being picked up to the one in the system, as well as calculating the shortest delivery route. Then proceed to the next member.
Okay, for the objective, the first project, the first one is to provide awareness to user regarding the zero waste objective to avoid food surplus. Second one, to develop an IoT system for surplus mobile application that simplify all current process for surplus mobile application. Okay, so next.
Firas?
Okay, I'm sorry. So for scope statement, first, the functionality that we have is trans information ID of food packages being picked up to match on system, track delivery status of package, calculate shortest or cheapest route to destination, and track the status of food
Freshness.
Alright, our target market and also is parties that are committed in sustainable environment, whether it's event organizer or non-profit organization, and generally people that often have a large amount of leftover foods.
That's it.
Okay, kenapa semua macam tu? Actually, when you want to talk about the problem that you want to solve, you must tell us what is the one that you want to do, right? Suddenly you kata the current system, okay, tadi pun sama yang train. The current, saya tak tahu you nak buat apa, tiba-tiba you mention of train. So just pick up lah ini train system. Macam ni pun sama. You cakap pasal current system, cakap lah apa you nak buat directly kan. Seplus ni nama kedai ke?
Mobile application. It's just a mobile application.
Yelah, saya tanya Surplus ni nama kedai ke nama application yang you propose?
Application.
Nah, itulah saya cakap saya confused apa benda yang you nak buat. Okay, current system. What is current system? You ceritalah dia punya background kan. Tiba-tiba je you cakap pasal directly. Project description / current problem kan. So you cakap lah, currently there is no system that stored leftover food. Directly apa benda you nak buat. So, you cakap tadi macam saya pun tidak pasti apa benda yang you nak buat sebenarnya kan. Sampai sekarang pun sebenarnya saya pun masih tak dapat fikir apa benda you nak buat. Satu you cakap pasal parcel delivery system kan. Lepas tu tiba-tiba you cakap pasal leftover food semua kan. Freshness lagi. So apa benda yang you nak buat sebenarnya ni?
Bukan parcel, just apa ni? Food packages tu lah. And the system is to be a bridge amongst people who want to give away the food and people that demand the food. So we do a delivery service as well.
Food apa?
And the IT based technology is the system that the deliverer, the runner use to pick up the food. And
Food apa? Maksud you delivery food?
Yes, the surplus food to
Yelah surplus tu nama apps you kan. Saya apa benda yang you nak buat ni saya nak tahulah kan. So you nak delivery food sekarang macam Food Panda macam tu?
But it's surplus food, excessive food. People don't really pay for it. So honestly, you find people that wants to give away leftover food. As you can see, the target market is like event organizer,
And what is
non-profit
surplus?
organization.
Itulah yang saya confused. You explain dulu what is surplus. You cakap nama apps tu. Tu you cakap people yang think of the food of the surplus food. So saya nak tahu apa maksud surplus tu yang you mention ni. So you kena directly, saya tak faham. So you cakap, lepas tu cakap pasal parcel delivery pula. Tu yang saya tak faham. Ni nak hantar makanan kan, food delivery. Tapi focusing on the surplus food, betul?
Yes.
Betul.
So
itulah you kena explain apa tu surplus, semua saya tak faham tu saya tanya tu surplus tu apa, you cakap nama apps you. So I thought that you just create the name kan. So you kata kind of food yang surplus, okay.
Alright.
Kenapa dengan surplus food ni? What is the issues?
The issue is that it is, I guess it's just a big issue in Malaysia itself. People always throw away leftover food when they could
macam
give
apa?
to
Macam
others.
Macam orang yang nak buat kenduri ke?
That's
with food.
part of it, part of the example.
Kenapa tak guna perkataan catering terus ke? Kenapa nak guna perkataan surplus?
Because that's the first word that comes to mind.
Itulah you kena explain what is surplus food first kan, sebab saya pun tak tahu apa tu surplus food yang you nak mention. Tadi saya tanya apa tu surplus kan, I thought it's a company or kedai name kan, tapi you cakap it's kind of ni lah surplus food kan. Okay, so you terang dulu siapa yang selalu order surplus food. Okay, you punya target users tadi pun event kan, event, NGO apa semua kan. Sebab saya confused. So orang nak buat jamuan ke, orang nak buat catering kan, maksudnya ni kan. Jamuan yang besar-besaran lah kan.
Right.
Okay. Confused. Parcel delivery. Okay. Masalah dia apa tadi?
Basically because it's excessive food, or leftover food, and so it's not fresh. So they face risk of going bad over time. So you want the delivery to be as quick as possible. So the system calculate the shortest route or the cheapest route.
Masalah tu ya ke? Saya tak tahulah kenapa you are proposing this. Siapa yang having issues dengan ni, saya tak nampak. Kalau you directly kata event management on the catering food, dan nak hantar cepat dengan shorten time. Tak clear. Saya tak dapat lagi yang apa yang message you nak deliver ni. Orang perlukan makanan dengan cepat dan fresh. Tapi end up lambat sampai. Betul maksud you macam tu? Ada ke?
Yeah.
Ada ke issues? How do you know this issue one? And then you are proposing surplus mobile apps ni untuk track parcel. You sebut parcel lagi lepas tu kan? So tadi you sebut pasal surplus food, tiba-tiba you sebut pasal parcel kan? Itu yang confuse lagi. So parcel tu parcel makanan kan yang masukkan ni?
Yes, so it's supposed to be package lah, package or.
Dia akan complicated lah. Saya pun. Kejap you cakap surplus, saya cakap parcel. Parcel ni barang kan? Okay. Kalau you directly kata food delivery tu kan senang. Bila you cakap parcel ni, saya pun confused dah ni you all ni. What happened dengan group C ni? Okay, try. I don't know, maybe you need to rephrase you punya project description tu. Okay, terang dulu apa tu surplus. Okay. And then kenapa you mention parcel ni? Kenapa you tak mention directly food? Sebab you nak fokus pada food kan? So kenapa bukan food? You sebut parcel. Dan saya assume it's a barang kan? And then you are using the IoT system untuk track delivery saja kan? Cuba tengok you punya scope tadi. Okay. Scan information ID of package being picked up to measure on the system. Dia nak scan lagi. Kalau orang hantar makanan banyak-banyak, dia nak scan Track delivery status of package. Biasanya kalau orang ambil catering ni, dia tak pergi jauh-jauh. Dia tak akan order, saya nak buat makan-makan dekat Jasin kan. Saya order dekat Kuala Lumpur. Okay? Sebab saya nak track makanan ni kan. Begitu ke? Tak kan? Normally we are taking the catering service yang around us ni kan, because we want to deliver it fast, fresh macam you cakap kan. Masih hot kan. So saya tak faham kenapa dia nak track parcel yang dekat ni. Okay, calculate shortest of cheapest destination, track the status of the food freshness. Ni saya tidak faham. Kenapa nak buat benda ni? So normally kalau orang yang beli makanan yang banyak-banyak ni, dia tak akan pilih yang tempat yang jauh-jauh. Dia mesti akan pilih tempat yang dekat. So kalau ada apa masalah, dia boleh add on ke apa kan cepat. Kalau masuk akal ke? Saya nak buat kenduri di Jasin, saya nak buat jamuan di Jasin, saya pergi order makanan di Kuala Lumpur. Jadi saya kena track berapa hari akan sampai tu. So normally makanan tu dalam a few hours saja kan, a few hours je dia akan deliver. Dia tak akan ambil masa berhari-hari. You nak kena panaskan lagi ke? Betul tak?
Betul.
So saya tak faham kenapa you are proposing this system untuk surplus punya makanan ni. Right. Okay, next group C1.
Can you screen my screen, Doctor? Hello?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Okay, thank you for the response. Okay, so we present about our project, which is Easy Clean. Okay, so firstly in the problem statement. So the problem statement is that people are nowadays people are too occupied with their job trying to make ends meet. This is due to the long working hours in Malaysia. It's also tied up with the long commuting time and from work. Since house cleaning is a tiring activity, this creates a problem where homeowners are usually too tired to tidy up their house at the end of the day. So basically we propose a Easy Clean. Easy Clean is a cleaning service system that provides the house owner with our dust sensor that able to detect the dust level or the dust concentration in the air of the house and remind the owner to clean the house by booking our cleaning service through our mobile application and provide a suitable schedule for the homeowner by using our AI recommendation. So these are the project objectives to develop a system that able to aid house owner or homeowners to clean their house when they are too busy to do so, and to increase the profit of our existing business. So the scope statement. Scope statement. Our system. The first one, our system able to sense the cleanliness level of the house by detecting the dust level inside the house by using the dust sensor provided by us. The second one is our system able to remind or provide suggestion to a house owner to book cleaning service appointment. Third one, provide recommendation for house owner on how and where to clean the house. Fourth, provide a thorough cleaning service of the house. And fifth, provide a schedule to clean the house that match the homeowner own schedule using the AI recommendation. Okay, lastly, the target market will be any house owner, house tenant, and any company that require cleaning their own space or their own properties. So I think that's all from us. Thank you. Okay.
Doktor macam tak ada je.
Serious ah? Oh, tak ada dia
Oh
masuk.
ada.
Okay, okay, bawa masuk. Okay. Yep. Doktor?
Boleh dengar
Doktor?
saya?
Boleh. Doktor nampak tak saya present tadi? Ke tak nampak?
Tak nampak. Saya ingat you yang tak present. Saya tengok saya network pula yang down. Okay, present lagi sekali.
Oh, biasa. Okay, sekejap. Okay, so we present our project from group C1. Okay. So firstly, the problem statement. So the problem statement is that people nowadays are too occupied with their job, trying to make ends meet, due to the long working hours in Malaysia. Also, it's also tied up with the long commuting time and from work. Since house cleaning is a tiring work or activity, this creates a problem where homeowners are too tired to tidy up their own house at the end of the day. So we propose Easy Clean. So Easy Clean is a cleaning service system that provides the house owner with our dust sensor that able to detect the dust concentration or the dust level in the house and remind the owner to clean the house by booking our cleaning service through our mobile application and provide suitable schedule for the homeowner itself by using our AI recommendation system. So the objective of the project is to develop a system that able to aid house owner to clean their house when they are too busy to do so, and also to increase the profit of our existing business. So the scope statement, the first one is that our system able to sense the cleanliness level of the house by detecting the dust level or the dust concentration inside the house using the dust sensor provided by us. Second one, it can remind or provide the suggestion to homeowners to book cleaning service appointment. The third one, it provides recommendation for house owner on how and where to clean the house. Fourth, it provides a thorough cleaning service of the system. And last, provide schedule to clean the house that match the homeowner's schedule using the AI recommendation. Lastly, the target market. The target market will be any house owner, house tenant, or company that required us to clean their space or any of their properties. Okay, I guess that's all from us. Thank you.
Okay, so you are proposing a system to detect a dust, right? Dust, right?
Basically dust, but it can detect dust and show the cleanliness level lah. Maksudnya cakap rumah tu dah berhabuk, so boleh start cleaning the house lah.
You are not providing the service to clean.
Also provide the service to clean.
So dia macam ada satu sistem mobile applications. Okay, first owner tu boleh guna, owner tu belilah sistem tu. Okay, lepas tu dia letak di rumah dia, betul tak?
Ya,
So
betul.
bila sistem tu akan detect dia punya dust level dekat dalam rumah tu. Kalau dia kotor, dia akan suggest kepada owner tempat mana yang dia kena bersihkan.
Ya, basically macam tu lah.
Ataupun dia boleh book appointment untuk you all yang provide service untuk cleaning, betul?
Ya, betul.
Okay. Right. So the system is in mobile apps platform.
Yes.
Okay, and then the sensor is
Physical.
in the house, right?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, okay. Okay, boleh. Okay, ni okay. Nampak the IoT system and the problem that you mentioned is on the cleaning system kan? In the cleaning issues. Alright, okay. Finally, ada group yang okay juga ni. Okay, proposing a easy clean. Alright, good. Okay, boleh. Boleh balik kepada yang you punya scope tadi.
Yes. Scope Yep. Scope.
Okay, satu dia boleh sense the cleaning level. Satu dia ada remind and provide suggestion. And then provide recommendations. Okay, and then provide thorough cleaning services. This one provide thorough cleaning services is sama lah kot saya rasa. Kalau dia tidak boleh bersih kan, maksudnya dia kena provide booking cleaning service lah kan. Saya rasa
Dia kena book appointment.
kan. And then nombor 4, provide schedule to clean using AI recommendation. Alright, okay. Okay, nanti boleh fikirkan satu lagi sebab yang nombor 4 redundant dengan nombor 2 tu kan. Of course dia boleh suggest bila adanya perlukan cleaning yang overall cleaning kan, thorough cleaning. So dia provide lah automatically provide kan. Alright, okay. Boleh, okay. Or you can divide tu lah, satu remind suggestion, satu lagi provide thorough cleaning kan.
Boleh.
Alright, good. Okay, finally group C1 adalah juga. Okay, propose the better idea. Okay, like I said that you are proposing of course it should be practical, but you can go further than that. Yang tak ada lagi dekat Malaysia kan. Sebab you bukan nak kena develop pun nanti, you until up to the prototype je, at least the interface of it. Interface dia saja untuk showing the scope of the product base ni. Alright.
Okay.
So for group, okay, thank you group C1.
Okay.
Group C2 and C3. Alright, C2 and 3. Please, like I said, if you want to focus on macam Chicago AR system, focus AR system tu yang dekat mana yang you nak propose. Apa yang isu yang menyebabkan AR system ni? Searching the area ke, jangan train. Kalau you nak train public, bukannya UiTM student kan. Fokus kepada train public lah. You are proposing train punya sistem. Nak buat macam ala-ala Jepun dengan Korea tu kan. Dia punya sistem train and subway tu very accurate. Yang tu lah, boleh lah you bawa ke Malaysia. Contohnya macam tu. Group C tu surplus. Okay. Fokus. You nak buat food ke you nak buat parcel? Okay, maybe you boleh buat contactless parcel. Saya punya suggestion lah, contactless parcel kan. Macam mana sistem contactless parcel yang you boleh buat? Sebab sekarang ni zaman COVID, kalau boleh kita nak contactless kan. So parcel ke food ke any delivery, contactless delivery. Itu saya punya suggestion, contactless delivery. So any food ke parcel, macam mana you punya sistem yang menunjukkan secure tapi contactless. Yang tu saya bagi cadangan dekat you. Instead of you buat surplus ni apa ni, saya pun confused. Alright, boleh? So group situ. Okay, please when we do a presentations, be ready lah kan. Janganlah time tu lah baru nak. Dan like I said, not everyone need to present. Macam Coach Siwan tadi, seorang pun enough because I said that short presentations only. So one person is enough. Kalau big pun I will not suggest everyone will do presentation because everyone have their own strength kan. Pilihlah satu atau dua saja, maximum two. I don't like people more than two present because I believe that everyone have their strength. Okay, so yang dua orang tu atau satu orang tu maybe can focus the presentation. Yang others focus on the content, on the design, a lot of things that you need to do kan. Not necessarily everyone need to present, everyone have the skill to present. But kalau practice, okay lah, rotate. Okay, macam sekarang ni untuk the idea. Okay, Abu Bak dah present dah tadi. So next presentation, you boleh choose other person pula. So give opportunity. And the last presentation, then after you see everyone present, you dah nampak dah who have the strength strength or skills on the presentation, choose dia. Tak payahlah semua orang. Kalau semua orang nanti kejap ada yang okey, ada yang tak okey, so you punya presentations presentation skill presentation group tu dah jadi low dah disebabkan ada yang select ke apa. Bukan saya kata you akan present, you know that the final presentation will the marks rubric more on the presentation skill kan. Kalau yang present biasa-biasa ni just give you a practice so you can choose anyone. But again, no need lah everyone to present every presentation. Maximum tu pun dah enough dah. Okay, so give a chance to others to present as well, boleh. Okay, but jangan ramai-ramai, no need to everyone. Saya bukannya nak tengok macam setiap orang kena present. Rotate lah, next time ada presentation lain, okay dia pula. Okay, then you can see that who's yang the best presenter, then you can choose for the final presentation later on. Alright? So I'm not sure that why you are not ready. Mungkin semua orang tengah travel ke, tengah but make sure lah you have class kan. So bila we have a class, so be ready on the class lah. Even though you are on travel ke kan. Even saya pun kalau travel saya akan cari tempat kat mana on that time. Kan? Takkanlah masa jalan, time tu lah nak jalan, time tu lah nak pergi kelas kan. Okay. So that's all for today. Okay, because I want to make sure that everyone have a fixed title already because after the mid-sem break, you are focusing on your project already. So for group C2 and C3, you may continue discuss in the WhatsApp group. Inform me that you already have a fixed title. Okay, let me know. Okay, so I can check, then I can say that okay, you can proceed. Okay, group C itulah. Okay, take my challenge. Okay, I want you to do a contactless delivery. So think of the system yang practical. Okay, tapi mungkin a creative punya solution. Right? Okay, I think ada soalan tak? So you proceed, okay, proceed with bila group C2 and C3 you confirm with the project title, okay, and then proceed continue with your added informations based on the business case and then submit in the future. Right? This proposal, this is your proposal. Yang MOV tadi, yang MOV sebelum ni I'm not calculate as a proposal yet. Okay, so today business case is the one that you have a marks assessment on the proposal. Okay, so complete it and then submit. Any question?
No, Doctor.
Alright, with that, I think that's all. Happy holiday and selamat mengundi to everyone. Bye-bye. I see you after mid-sem break. Bye.
Alright.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.